Now, Tim, I've seen this laser templating before, but I'm not sure I quite get it yet.
Well, we're going to use this to gather our data here today. We at Merlin and Denova embrace green technology, so we use the laser, the LT55, rather than the traditional method of doing a template, glue on plywood or another medium.
Right.
So it's we'll set it up today. We'll go ahead and shoot this area. We have.
So this is basically just gathering the points. I know you have these little things on the different corners. So you're basically just shooting something to gather where that point is, and then your software assembles all of it?
That's correct.
Now what about like sinks and any other cutout that you have? You're able to also input that information in the data?
Yes, we are. We'll wind up shooting the center of the sink base, for example. We'll make a mark, shoot the center of the sink base, and then using our database in a plugin that we've developed, we'll bring in that sink and actually in real time drop it in there, correct setback, and then we'll put in the faucet holes and those locations as well. We can do that for sinks, cooktops, and cabinets.
Oh, that's wild. And you're able just to email that information to the fabricator?
That's correct. It's a bit of a change. We can actually just send it right up to the fabricator, and he can have it in the time that it takes to transfer.
Now, did you invent all of this?
No, I didn't. I wish I did.